What's up, you guys? My name is Justin. It's Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we're actually going to be doing something pretty crazy. We're going to be going to buy a vehicle from a subscriber of mine. He got in contact with me, let me know that he had a Ford Ranger for sale, and he gave me a pretty sweet deal on it because he said he wanted to see it on the channel. He wanted to see us flip it. So we're going to be headed down. I got Pops with me now. Pops.
What's up?
So anyway, we are headed down to, I think it's Tallahassee, Florida.
Tallahassee, Florida, 391 miles.
Yes.
5 miles, 20 minutes.
It's about 6 a.m. right now, so we should be getting there around 12, 1 o'clock, something like that. So
Tell them about it. It's 2007. It's 2007 Ford Ranger. It's got 150,000 miles on it. It's like, what is it? A bird in 2 hands and 6 in the other?
Half in the 6 and a half in the dozen.
What does that even mean?
So anyway, we're headed down to Tallahassee, Florida. We're gonna go pick up a truck, and from a subscriber. So it's gonna be a good time. We'll keep you guys posted along the way. All right, you guys, we are officially in Sweet Home, Alabama. We just got a call from my buddy Henry, the subscriber that's gonna be selling us the Ford Ranger, and we got the meeting time all ready to go. He's gonna have the title ready to go. I get so many questions on these videos about what we end up doing with the title. For us, every time we have to get a title, it has to be registered in Louisiana for me to resell it typically. And even if I resell it without registering it, I have to do a double title transfer, and I have to register it before I can sell it to someone else. So no matter what, the title has to be registered, right, Pops?
Yep, that's right.
Yeah, consult your local lawmakers, but
Or just your pops. That's all good.
or your pops, yeah, either way. Now, Louisiana is like a really strict title place. If we were trying to do titles and stuff in Mississippi, I mean, it would make our lives 100 times easier.
Bill of sale is actually the title, and they sign their name on it. If I buy a vehicle in Georgia, I just get them to sign the back of the title, and I go to Georgia, hand it to them, and then a week's time I have a new title in. It's so different.
So for whatever reason, Louisiana is just difficult. But we talked to Henry. We're running good on time. So yeah, we're gonna go probably pick up a U-Haul once we get down there. Also pick up a little cash for the truck, and we're gonna go ahead and grab it. We just picked up some cash. We're about 10 minutes away from the truck. We're gonna go check it out. Me and Pop swap places. I needed to take a nap. You know, I was getting a little tired.
Especially around all these college women on
Must be game day out here because there's a bunch of
Florida State
fans running around here. So yeah, we're about to go check out this truck. We drove about 5.5 hours. So what are we gonna do if it doesn't live up to our standards, Pops?
I don't know, offer them less.
We will walk. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know.
We pretty much know what our limitations are, so before even coming out here, we pretty much knew it was going to be a flip. So.
Yeah, we took his word for it too. So watch we show up and it's all beat up, and
hey, we've had some really bad ones that we flipped too.
We've had some bad ones. The worst ones is when you test drive it and everything's fine, but then on your way home the check engine light pops on because you didn't drive it long enough.
And it jumps timing, and you got to sell it, but you still make a profit. But it's kind of crazy. So.
Yeah. We're on our way. We'll check in with you guys whenever we get there. Henry, what's up, man? Come on, we came all the way down to take a look at the at this black Ranger right here. Looks pretty good. Not too shabby.
It's got fresh oil in it. It's got, like I said, I got one new tire on it. I ran over in mail probably 6 months ago. I just replaced that one tire. I'm not even a second one yet. That's it's all done. Yeah, man, it goes over right time, man.
Damn, the check engine light is on. And the transmission light. Man, Henry, what you did to us, bro? Henry made us drive 5.5 hours for a check engine light. And
It was in the listing.
got a damn tickle in the back of my pickle.
But yeah, we had a trip check on it. I guess probably a month or so ago, just from our mechanic. They looked over everything, said everything was good there. You know, I've never had any major problems with it either, so it's been reliable for me.
We could take it for a ride.
Yeah, you're welcome. Normally I wouldn't let you get in.
Hey, bro, I'm out there.
Without the cash, but I've been drinking a little, so
You been drinking a little?
I had a beer, but it's
Henry, you're wild, dude.
This is what you were talking about here?
Yeah, that needs to be replaced in the middle. That's another 100, Henry. It smells like mold and mildew in here.
Yeah, we ought to do some crazy shit in it, Brian. He won't see it until the video posts. It's the windshield wiper motor. Yeah, he said windshield wiper motor was acting up.
Open it up, Pops. Let's see what this thing can do. Oh, fuck. right, so it's test driving really good. Everything seems, you know, about what it should be on it. It is a 2007, I believe. But I think we're gonna head back and pretend like we don't want it, and like we're gonna act like we're gonna leave. But we're gonna end up getting it. Obviously, we did just drive 5 hours to get it. So yeah, but it drives good. Should clean up nice. It is a little dirty in here. I'm gonna do a full tour for the detail video. So if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button for us, as we really appreciate it.
Everything good though?
Well, good. Define good. No, I'm sorry.
I'm sure it could come off with a good buffing or something like that.
What you think, Dad?
Yeah, when you get something like this, you know.
Okay, Henry, that's it, man. We're out of here. We gotta go. I'm just kidding, man. Yeah, that was too long of a drive. We are back to pick up the Black Ranger. We're gonna go and get it loaded up. We got another 5.5 hour drive back. Not something that I wanted to do because it's a lot of driving, but something we got to do. One of the cool things with this Black Ranger is the dual exhaust pipe, so it's actually a little bit louder than what you know, a typical Ranger would be. Sounds pretty good. So Pop's gonna load it up. I'm gonna keep an eye out for him. I gotta pull these little trays out so we can get it all loaded up and get back on the road.
This is my old work truck right here. So we started Big Ben Wash Pros right here. It's a 2007 Ford Ranger. Drove it to shit, and I finally got Justin to come get rid of it for me.
We just did a video, actually, funny enough. You guys go check it out, how to make 10K a month pressure washing, and now we're about to take his vehicle away from him. The funny thing is you mentioned you were selling a Ford Ranger. Probably like the next day, my dad sent me a picture of this exact Ford Ranger, so it's pretty funny, dude. So
I didn't even know it, man.
he didn't even know. So how do you feel about us flipping it, though, Henry?
See, and that's the thing. I know I could get more money than what I'm asking for, but it needs some work. So I'm more than happy to, you know, I don't want to do that work, and I'm more than happy to let somebody else do that work and make a quick buck, because it's not worth my time at this point.
We appreciate it, bro. So y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to Henry, Big Ben Wash Pros, right?
Check it out on the shirt.
There
Don't
you
call
go.
me though, but you know, you got the channel right there.
Y'all call him and go check out his page. I'm just kidding. So sweet, man. Awesome. Well, we're gonna get it fixed up. We're gonna get it looking good, and yeah, man, get it sold.